And thanks very much indeed. I want to show you what's falling out the skies across Western and Central Europe at the moment. See, dark, angry, threatening cloud yet again, not for the first time this summer, dominating the scene all the way from France and the Low Countries right down to the Balearics, into the Spanish costas and across to the Adriatic as well. And there are thunderstorms aplenty in amongst all of that cloud, and it's persistent stuff as well. Really quite concerning, seeing how this is going to fall across the Alps and then maybe add to the flood problems in the Central Europe area. It's not all doom and gloom by any means. There is some sunshine to be had, certainly across much of Iberia. Things will turn drier and finer as we close out the week. Dry and fine too in the west of the British Isles. Certainly in Plymouth it's dry and fine, promise you, you have to believe me. And there is plenty of sunshine to be had too across the rest of the southwest. And hopefully the camera's working up in Norwich, which is a much gloomier affair. And the cloud is thick enough here for the odd spot of rain and drizzle, and a line all the way from the Wash right down into the north of the Greater London area. Now come to the western side of the M1, it turns a good deal drier and brighter because you're in this swathe of clearer sky right across the heart of the British Isles. And then to the north we've got another band of cloud, the first of some Atlantic fronts, which will plague the north and west of the British Isles over the next few days. So that's the way that the country is shaping up. Not much rain from that front, it has to be said, the odd spot of rain and drizzle, and the odd spot too down in the southeastern quarter. I hope some of that will disappear this afternoon. And in the sunshine we'll get the temperatures up to around about 23 degrees. Now overnight we bring that band of cloud down across the heart of the British Isles, only making room for another set of fronts to move into the northwestern quarter overnight. And with all the cloud around, not a particularly cold night at all. And then the north and west is really dominated by those fronts, slow-moving affairs, so there will be some brightness to start off the day in the south of Northern Ireland, the southeast of Scotland too, and a lot of cloud across England and Wales, at its thickest yet again across East Anglia. Hopefully some of it will break through the afternoon, and that front will work its way across much of Scotland and Northern Ireland, eventually getting into the north of England too, as we finish off the day. Temperatures much akin to today's, 17 in the far north, 23 at its best in the south. And then on Thursday, those fronts are still lurking there or thereabouts. Rather weak affairs by this stage. Again, something of a rerun. And you'll notice there, just the odd spot of rain on the western-facing coast, drier and brighter to the south, warmer too. And then more cloud and rain eventually getting back into the north and west of Scotland, and again into the north and west of Northern Ireland. And then wouldn't you just know it, as we finish off the week, there are more fronts again for the northern and western parts of the British Isles. By this stage, yet again, the best of the sunshine is down in the south and east, and that's where we'll find the warmest of the temperatures.